Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a flower, so let's get started. First, draw a circle here. Then draw many curved lines here. Now following with me. Draw the leaf. Here too. Draw two round eyes. Inside with a circle and another smaller circle. Draw the details. A curve and a curve here too. 3 lines inside. And the mouth. Now we will add some detail to the flower. And the leaf too. Now we have a flower. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.